objects of ties. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana 422. States which are associated with ties. Equals greed-rooted consciousness 8. Hate-rooted consciousness 2, mental factors 27 excluding greed present at 4 consciousness dissociated from wrong view, hate present at 2 hate-rooted consciousness and doubt. States which are dissociated from ties. Equals delusion-rooted consciousness 2, wholesome consciousness 21, resultant 36, inoperative 20, mental factors 52 excluding greed, wrong view, conceit, hate, envy, stinginess, worry, sloth, torpor. Greed present at 4 consciousness dissociated from wrong view, hate present at 2 hate-rooted consciousness, matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are both ties and objects of ties. Equals 3 states of ties. States which are objects of ties but are not ties. Equals mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 excluding 3 states of ties. And matter 28. States which are both ties and associated with ties. 2 states of ties namely. Greed and wrong view present at 4 cons doseness associated with wrong view. States which are associated with ties but are not ties. Equals greed-rooted consciousness 8, hate-rooted consciousness 2, mental factors 27 excluding 3 states of ties and doubt. States which are dissociated from ties but are objects of ties. Equals delusion-rooted consciousness 2. Mundane wholesome consciousness 17, mundane resultant 32, inoperative 20, mental factors 52 excluding greed, wrong view, conceit, hate, envy, stinginess, worry, sloth and torpor. Greed present at 4 consciousness dissociated from wrong view, hate present at 2 hate-rooted consciousness and matter 28. States which are dissociated from ties and are not objects of ties. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana. 6. Flood clusters 6. V2. Bond clusters 6. VLLL. Hindrance clusters 6. States which are hindrances. Equals 8 states of hindrances namely. Greed, hate, sloth, torpor, restlessness, worry, doubt and delusion. States which are not hindrances. Equals consciousness 89, mental factors 52 excluding 8 states of hindrances. Matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are objects of hindrances. Equals mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 and matter 28. States which are not objects of hindrances. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana. States which are associated with hindrances. Unwholesome consciousness 12, mental factors 27. States which are dissociated from hindrances. Equals wholesome consciousness 21, resultant 36, inoperative 20, mental factors 38, matter 28, Nibbana. States which are both hindrances and objects of hindrances. Equals 8 states of hindrances. States which are objects of hindrances but are not hindrances. Equals mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 excluding 8 states of hindrances. And matter 28. States which are both hindrances and associated with hindrances. Equals 8 states of hindrances. States which are associated with hindrances but are not hindrances. Equals unwholesome consciousness 12, mental factors 27 excluding 8 states of hindrances. States which are dissociated from hindrances but are objects of hindrances. Equals mundane wholesome consciousness 17, mundane resultant 32, inoperative 20, mental factors 38 and matter 28. States which are dissociated from hindrances and are not objects of hindrances. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana. 9. Misapprehension clusters 5. States which are misapprehensions. Equals misapprehension state which is wrong view. States which are not misapprehensions. Equals consciousness 89, mental factors 52 excluding wrong view. Matter 28 and Nibbana 5:12-18. States which are objects of misapprehensions. Equals mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 and matter 28. States which are not objects of misapprehensions. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana. States which are associated with misapprehensions. Equals consciousness 4 accompanied with wrong view, mental factors 27 excluding wrong view, conceit, hate, envy, stinginess, worry and doubt. States which are dissociated from misapprehensions. Equals consciousness 4 dissociated from wrong view. Hate-rooted consciousness 2, delusion-rooted consciousness 2, wholesome consciousness 21, resultant consciousness 36, inoperative consciousness 20, mental factors 52 excluding wrong view. Matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are both misapprehensions and objects of misapprehensions. Equals misapprehension state which is wrong view 111. States which are objects of misapprehensions but are not misapprehensions. Equals mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 excluding wrong view. And matter 28. States which are dissociated from misapprehensions but are objects of misapprehensions. Equals consciousness 4 dissociated from wrong view. Hate-rooted consciousness 2. Delusion-rooted consciousness 2, mundane wholesome consciousness 17, mundane resultant consciousness 32, inoperative consciousness 20, mental factors 52 excluding wrong view. And matter 28. States which are dissociated from misapprehensions and are not objects of misapprehensions. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana. X. Greater intermediate couplets 14. States which have objects. Equals consciousness 89 and mental factors 52. States which have no objects. Equals matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are consciousness. Equals consciousness 89. States which are not consciousness. Equals mental factors 52, matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are mental factors. Equals mental factors 52. States which are not mental factors. Equals consciousness 89, matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are associated with consciousness. Equals mental factors 52. States which are dissociated from consciousness. Equals matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are conjoined with consciousness. Equals same as 4. Above. States which are not conjoined with consciousness. Equals same as 4. Above. States which are generated by consciousness. Equals mental factors 52 and mind-produced matter 17. States which are not generated by consciousness. Equals consciousness 89, kama-produced matter 20, temperature-produced matter 15, nutriment-produced matter 14 and Nibbana. 7. States which arise together with consciousness. Equals mental factors 52, and intimations 2. States which do not arise together with consciousness. Equals consciousness 89, matter 28 excluding 2 intimations. And Nibbana. 8. States which arise successively with consciousness. Equals same as 7. Above. States which do not arise successively with consciousness. Equals same as 7. Above. 9. States which are both conjoined with and are generated by consciousness. Equals same as 3. Above. States which are not conjoined with and are not generated by consciousness. Same as 3. Above. 10. States which are conjoined with, are generated by and arise together with consciousness. Equals same as 9. Above. States which are not conjoined with, are not generated by and do not arise together with consciousness. Same as 9. Above. 11. States which are conjoined with, are generated by and arise successively with consciousness. Equals same as 9. Above. States which are not conjoined with, are not generated by and do not arise successively with consciousness. Equals same as 9. Above. 12. States which are internal. Equals consciousness 89, sensitive matter 5. States which are external. Equals mental factors 52, matter 28 excluding 5 sensitive matter. And Nibbana. 13. States which are derived. Equals derived matter 24. States which are not derived. Equals consciousness 89, mental factors 52, great primary matter 4 and Nibbana. 14. States which are acquired by clinging. Equals mundane resultant consciousness 32, mental factors 35 and karma-produced matter 20. States which are not acquired by clinging. Equals unwholesome consciousness 12. Wholesome consciousness 21. Inoperative consciousness at 20, fruition consciousness 4, mental factors 52, mind-produced matter 17, temperature-produced matter 15, nutriment-produced matter 14 and Nibbana. 11. Clinging clusters 6. States which are clinging. Equals clinging states namely. Greed and wrong view. States which are not clinging. Equals consciousness 89, mental factors 52 excluding 2 clinging states. Matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are objects of clinging. Mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 and matter 28. States which are not objects of clinging. Equals supramundane consciousness 8, mental factors 36 and Nibbana. States which are associated with clinging. Equals greed-rooted consciousness 8, mental factors 27 excluding greed present at 4 consciousness dissociated from wrong view, hate, envy, stinginess, worry and doubt. States which are dissociated from clinging. Equals hate-rooted consciousness 2. Delusion-rooted consciousness 2, wholesome consciousness 21, resultant consciousness 36, inoperative consciousness 20, mental factors 52 excluding greed, wrong view and conceit. Greed present at 4 consciousness dissociated from wrong view, matter 28 and Nibbana. States which are both clinging and objects of clinging. Equals clinging states namely. Greed and wrong view. States which are objects of clinging but are not clinging. Equals mundane consciousness 81, mental factors 52 excluding 2 states of clinging. And matter 28. States which are both clinging and associated with clinging. Equals 2 states of clinging present at 4 consciousness accompanied with wrong view. States which are associated with clinging but are not clinging. Equals greed-rooted consciousness 8, mental factors 22 excluding 2 states of clinging. States which are dissociated from clinging but are objects of clinging. Equals hate-rooted consciousness 2. Delusion-rooted consciousness 2, mundane wholesome consciousness 17, mundane resultant consciousness 32, inoperative consciousness 20, mental factors 52 excluding greed, wrong view.